This has been requested. This one's doing the latch because it has a low battery. There it goes. I'll only do 3 alarms, so I'll do, we'll do this one. Hold on, we gotta give it a second. There we go. Come on, just trip. There it goes. Here it comes. Bro, that's loud.
Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
Actually, no, we'll do all of them. Why not? Test. That piezo sounds sick. Which one is that? I think that's the... There it goes. Wait, let's see if this works. No, that didn't work. I was gonna make it say horn sounds detector active, but it didn't work. Oh, what the? What happened to the location? That was weird. We'll do this one next. Test, please. There we go. That piezo on the SC91, SA520 sounds like it's gonna die soon. That one's alarming in CO. Alright. Once these two stop blinking, we'll do the last one. Actually, I think they'll still go. Actually, I'll wait. That one stopped. Oh, one of them is alarming in CO. Oh, it's this one. Okay, this one's going again, I guess. Okay, I'll just test this. This is the loudest one out of all of them. That one did sound, by the way. I heard it. I think. Yeah, there goes this one. I don't know if this one will go or not. Even if it doesn't, that's okay. I'll try again. This one will go in a second. There it goes. Will it ever go? Or did it just decide to stop interconnecting with the SA520? I think it just stopped interconnecting. But we did see it work once. I guess it doesn't work after a few tries. But okay. Well, yeah, that was the following model numbers. 3120B, 9120B, SC9120B, SA520, and the SCO500. Hope you all enjoyed. This has been requested. And that'll be it.